Hello guys and welcome back again to the TechTech YouTube channel. One of the largest OEM manufacturer of power supply, FSP, recently updated their own lineup with the addition of high-end series going by the name of Hydro G. This is their attempt to follow through with the latest trends in this industry when it comes to features, and actually right away you can see that they are on the right path, as in the left bottom corner we have a notion of 0 dB fan mode, support for the fully modular cable setup and 100% Japanese made capacitors, while also having the 80+ Gold efficiency standard certification, Intel Broadwell CPU support and 5-year warranty. They also went in a good direction with the overall design, as you can see it from the picture on the front of the box. You'll even get some additional stickers if you want to change up the side sign design. As for our particular model and its power output, here we have the 850 watt one, and for it, on the sides of the box, you can see some charts with efficiency and noise curves, power specifications, as well as a number of cables that go with it. Beside this model that we have here, you can also choose between two less powerful models, the 750 or the 650 watt one. Backside reveals some of the main features and a pretty detailed overview of the power supply's inner hardware with a picture of it opened up and other components laid out around it. Opening up the box, here on the top we are greeted by this DVD-like cardboard tray in which you'll find user manuals and those additional stickers for the power supply. In this separate box we have all the modular cables. And of course, last but not least, here we have the power supply itself. As we already mentioned, we really like the design which Hydro G series brings with it. It's really simple and clean looking, measuring 170mm of length. The fan grill on the top protects the 135mm FDB fan and has some nice design details and seamlessly runs in the same level with the top surface, not being protruded or anything like that. Speaking of the fan, it stays off if the power supply is under 25% of total load, while above that mark it will turn on and stay decently quiet since it runs below 1000 RPMs all the way up to 70% of load. Opposite of that, you'll find your usual declaration sticker with power and current specifications for this particular model, while on the both sides we have a sticker with FSP logo and model name, and either way you turn the power supply, the writing will be in correct orientation. As we said before, you can switch it up with one of these stickers, although personally I like more the original clean looking one which came with it, as those two are just a bit too tacky for my taste. Backside of the power supply reveals a classic layout of AC power plug, dedicated on and off switch, and this cool looking air outtake mesh. While going to the front you'll find all the necessary connection points for the modular cables, all nicely laid out and signed for each port type, as you can see it here. As for the cables, FSP here went with the best possible solution aesthetic wise, making all cables and connectors completely black and unified without any other color sticking out, even on the 24-pin ATX power connector, and that's a really rare sight, so good job to you FSP. Now just make them sleeved so they can be perfect all around. Thank you guys once again for checking out our unboxing and preview of the FSP Hydro G power supply. Feel free to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the product, and of course, if you would like to see more content like this, you can subscribe to our TechTech YouTube channel, or you can just check out our other videos from before.